An open concept layout with elegant amenities. This Cumberland modern floor plan maximizes both living and storage space in a stylish blend of functionality and modern design. Welcome to Jago's Magnolia Hills in Bowling Green, Kentucky. This energy-smart two-story home offers nearly 2,200 square feet of luxury living, with 3 large bedrooms, 2 and 1/2 baths, a 2-car garage, plus all the latest tech-smart features. The front exterior features gray stone brick with horizontal board and batten siding with cedar accents, and there's decorative accent lighting that makes this home shine at night. The covered front entry flows into the foyer area with optional 2x2 windows and 2 storage closets, which connects directly to the large family room area, where there's bold colors and space for everyone with comfortable living room, dining area, and upgraded kitchen layout. Anchored by a large island with beautiful Aristocraft Pure Style cabinetry, optional ceramic tile backsplash, and under-cabinet lighting. This kitchen is destined to become the gathering place. There's also an efficient GE stainless steel appliance package, a single bowl undermount sink with Delta faucet, and 3-centimeter granite countertops with pencil edging. Just off the kitchen, you can walk out to a 12-foot by 10-foot outdoor covered retreat that includes additional concrete patio for backyard entertaining. At the family entrance from the 2-car garage, you'll find the half bath, plus an expertly designed laundry room with pantry shelving. Upstairs, the expansive owner's suite will be your private retreat for quiet relaxation, featuring cultured marble with double bowl vanity, 60-inch walk-in shower with vertical accent, and large walk-in closet. The second floor offers 2 additional bedrooms, each with its own large closet. The second bath has Aristocraft cabinetry and also features cultured marble with rectangular bowl sink. And the family can spread out and enjoy the expanded loft that offers endless possibilities as an exercise room, playroom, or home office. Jago's vibrant, award-winning design is backed by a 210 home buyer's warranty, offering 10 years of structural protection and peace of mind. And because Jago Energy Smart Homes are substantially more efficient, you'll save thousands on utility costs in the years ahead, while having the added security and enjoyment of our innovative tech-smart features. Ideally located between I-65 and Scottsville Road, near the Natcher Parkway, this amazing new home offers nearly 2,200 square feet of stylish luxury. So you can live your dream in comfort and convenience. Talk to a Jago consultant today, because best of all, with Jago, this luxury is affordable. Jago, where life happens.